Hello, welcome to the Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off access for our applications to use data while our data saver is on. So, where to find this function and how to turn it off. We need to go to settings, of course, then we are looking for applications menu here, and then at the top we have a three dots menu and special access. And in here we have our allowed to use data while data saver is on options. So we can turn off what we need in here. There is quite a few applications that we can allow or deny this access, and back out, no need to save. That's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.